I'm gonna put another video in the description. I stopped right here before, was it a year ago? But the video was just like a music video. I remember I stopped here and then I was like, where do I go? Left or right? I think I went right. I don't want to look at maps because it makes the... Like when you look at the map, you know where you are. And it's not as special. Does that makes any sense? Oh my god. The whole time the mic was not plugged in. Oh my god. Okay. I wonder if I have to reset the camera. I'll turn it off just in case. Okay, well now I'm using my mic. There's probably no way you heard anything I said during that whole 30 minutes. 3 videos. Oh well. Now you can hear me. We're gonna go right, because I think right is better. I don't really know. Did I really say anything important in that 30 minutes? Not really. Maybe I've never been down this road before. There's the volcano. Wait, I'm not sure. Is that the volcano or is it on the left? I think the left. What does the sign say? There's a farm, electric generation by wind forest, public office farm village. Everything is to the left. Aso Sanjo, straight ahead. Man, I'm still angry about that. 30 minutes I was talking and you probably did not hear anything I said. Well, let's go straight. Spontaneous place. I'm glad I caught that. There are some authentic Japanese horses. There's a green car behind me. But I want to drive like an old lady. What should I do? I will pull over here. Ooh, that is a nice car. Well, there was a nice view that way. God, this is just so nice. I always wake up so late. Like I always say, every day, I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow and come here. And I never do. Sun's gonna set in an hour or so. But I really like to leave earlier than that. Because I don't want to go home through pitch black mountains. I've done it a million times, it's not fun. It's more interesting when there's light and you can see things. Well, let's go. I could just drive here forever. Oh, you know what? I think we're gonna turn back because I want to go back to the green rolly hills. Hold on, we'll go a little farther. Oh, we'll go here.